Hey guys, welcome to RG3 Tech Talk. In previous video, we have learned about components and JSX. In this video, we are going to learn about props and create a product list items by using props. We will learn some brief about props. What are props? Props is nothing but short form of properties in ReactJS. Props allows users to pass the arguments or data to the components. This happens via HTML attributes. We can pass additional information from parent component to children components by using props. Props helps to make components more dynamic. Props are read-only and cannot be changed. For example, if we send props from parent component to child component cannot be changed these props. Now we will see how to create product list by using props. To create product list, we need to create one component, go to source folder, create a new folder and make it as components. Inside components folder, create one more file and make it as, let's say, product.js. In the newer version of React, you can make it as JSX also, which will be easy for use directly JSX syntax. Here, as first thing, we need to import React from React. Then create a constant as product equals to arrow function and create inside braces you need to return HTML which it has to be render in browser. Create one container, let's name it as product container. And to create a product we need image source img src equals to here I am going to use placeholder just to display the image folder, and you can also close like this, and product name with let's say h3 tag product name, and you can create one more HTML element, let's say for example h5 price you can say $5. Now export this component by using export default product. Now let's go back to app.js file, import this component by import product from components and product. Let's use this inside return function in app.js. Product and close it. So let's go back to the browser and check it. Here you can see image and product name and product price. Let's copy paste few more things. You can see 3 products has been created. Now let's make some style to it. Here I have created a style for this product tag just to display beautifully. Now go back to product.jsx file, create a props, and these elements attribute values we need to pass it as dynamically. So first one, I am just cutting this and making as curly braces and using as props dot, let's say, image URL. Here I am creating one more props dot product name. In the same way here props dot product price. Now go back to app.js file, call these values as HTML attributes. Here props.image URL tag we need to use image URL equals to this one, see here. Now same way for second product as well as third product. Now we are getting image URL here. Now we need to call other props, which is product name and product price. Go back to app.js file, product name equals to, you can use this way or directly with double quotes, product 1. Product 1 and product price equals to $5. Just copy these two properties and paste it in other two. Let's make it as product 2. This cost is 10 and this name it as product 3 and make it as $20. You can see the output over here. Now we have created props here and pass the props value to parent element which has app.js file. Now let's see how to use destructure method for props element. For example, if you have small data, you can mention as each and every time you have to write it as props.image URL, props.product name, props date, product price, like this. So if you have large amount of data, it will be too much difficult for the developers to use each and every time as props. So for this we have a destructure method in React.js. Just to destructure, it's a very simple process. Just remove the props and curly braces mention directly to the HTML attribute values. Let's say here image URL, comma, product name, comma, product price. From here, just remove this props dot and save the file. You can see this. You won't be getting any issues over here.